Chapter 4 사장 Tweedledum and Tweedledee. Tweedledum과 Tweedledee. They were standing under a tree. 그들은 나무 아래 서 있었죠. Each with an arm around the other's neck. 어깨 동무를 하고 and Alice knew which was which in a moment. 앨리스는 누가 누군지 알 수 있었어요. Because one of them had thumb embroidered on his collar. 왜냐하면 칼라 깃에 하나는 덤이라고 쓰여져 있고 and the other D 하나는 D라고 쓰여져 있었거든요. I suppose It's got twiddled around at the back of the collar. 아마 컬러 뒤쪽에 트위들이라고 적혀 있을 거야. She said to herself. 앨리스는 혼잣말을 했죠. They stood so still. 그들은 너무 가만히 있어서 that she quite forgot they were alive. 살아있는지조차 잊어버릴 정도였어요. And she was just looking around to see. 그래서 앨리스는 돌아가서 to see if the word Tweedledee was written at the back of each color. 그 컬러 뒤쪽에 Tweedlee라고 적혀 있는지 보러 갔죠. When 그때 she was startled by a voice coming from the one marked dumb. 더미라고 오깃이 쓰여진 그 사람의 목소리 때문에 깜짝 놀랐죠. If you think we're waxworks, 만약에 우리가 밀랍이면 said, you ought to pay. 돈을 내야지. No, waxworks weren't made to be looked at for nothing. 공짜로 보여주려고 만든 게 아니잖아, 그치? Contrariwise, 반대로 edit the one marked D, D라고 쓰여진 애가 덧붙였죠. If you think we're alive, 우리가 살아있다고 생각한다면 you ought to speak, 말을 해야지. I'm sure I'm very sorry. 미안해. was all Alice could say. 앨리스가 할 수 있는 말은 그것이었죠. But the words of the old song kept ringing through her head. 머릿속에 계속 옛날 노래가 맴돌았어요. Like the ticking of a clock. 시계가 째깍거리듯이 and she could hardly help saying them out loud. 어쩔 수 없이 큰 소리로 노래가 나왔죠. Tweedledum and Tweedledee agreed to have a battle. Tweedledum과 Tweedledee는 싸움을 하기로 했네. For Tweedledum said Tweedledee. 왜냐면 Tweedledum이 Tweedledee에게 had spoiled his nice new rattle. 멋진 새로운 딸랑이를 망가뜨렸다고 말했지. Just then 바로 그때 flew down a monstrous crow. 괴물 같은 까마귀가 날아와서 as black as a tar barrel. 타르통처럼 검정색의 까마귀가 날아왔고 which frightened both the heroes so. 그 영웅들을 놀래켜서 they quite forgot their quarrel. 싸움조차 잊어버렸네. I know what you're thinking about. 난 네가 무슨 생각하고 있는지 알아. said Tweedledum. Tweedledum이 말이죠. But it isn't so. No. 하지만 그렇지 않아. Contrariwise, 반대로 continued Tweedledee. Tweedledee가 말했죠. If it was so, 그랬다면 it might be, 그럴 거야. And if it were so, 그랬다면 it would be, 그럴 거야. But as it isn't, it ain't. 그렇지 않았다면 그렇지 않은 거고. That's logic. 그게 논리야. I was thinking, 저는 무슨 생각을 하고 있었냐면요. Alice said very politely, 앨리스가 아주 공손하게 말했죠. Which is the best way out of this wood? 이 숲속을 빠져나갈 수 있는 최고의 방법이 뭘까요? It's getting so dark. 어두워지고 있어요. Would you tell me please? 말씀해 주실 수 있나요? But the little men only looked at each other and grinned. 하지만 그 작은 남자들은 서로를 바라보며 웃고 있었죠. They looked so exactly like a couple of grade school boys. 얘네들은 학생처럼 보여서 the Alice couldn't help pointing her finger at Tweedledum. Tweedledum에게 손가락으로 가리키며 and saying first boy, 첫 번째 학생 이렇게 말했죠. Now how? Tweedledum cried out briskly. Tweedledum이 씩씩하게 대답했어요. And shut his mouth up again with a snap. 그리고 입을 딱 다물었죠. Next boy. 다음 학생 said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. Passing on to Tweedledee. Tweedledee 쪽을 보면서 though she felt quite certain. 하지만 확실히 느낀 건 he would only shout out contrariwise. And so he did. 반대로 라고 외칠 것만 같았고 그렇게 했어요. You've been wrong. 넌 잘못됐어. cried Tweedledum. Tweedledum이 말했죠. The first thing in a visit is to say. 처음 봤으면 처음 해야 할 일은 how do you do? 처음 뵙겠습니다. 라고 얘기하고 and shake hands. 악수를 해야지. And here the two brothers gave each other hug. 이때 두 형제는 서로를 껴안고 and then they held out the two hands that were free. 자유로운 손을 뻗어서 to shake hands with her. 앨리스랑 악수를 했죠. Alice did not like shaking hands with either of them first. 앨리스는 둘 중에 한 명하고만 악수하는 걸 원치 않았죠. For fear of hurting the other one's feelings. 나머지 한 명의 마음을 상하게 하고 싶지 않아서. So as the best way out of the difficulty. 그래서 최선의 방법으로 she took hold of both hands at once. 동시에 두 명의 손을 잡았죠. The next moment they were dancing around in a room. 그 순간 동그랗게 춤을 추고 있었죠. This seemed quite natural. 아주 자연스럽게 보였어요. She remembered afterwards. 나중에 생각해 보니까 그랬죠. And she was not even surprised to hear music playing. 노랫소리가 들리는 것도 이상하지 않았죠. It seemed to come from the tree under which they were dancing. 그들이 그 아래 나무 아래서 춤을 추고 있었는데 그 나무 쪽에서 소리가 나는 것 같았고 and was done as well as she could make it out. 정말 그랬어요. By the branches rubbing one across the other. 나뭇가지들이 서로를 비벼서 내는 소리였죠. Like fiddles and fiddlesticks. 마치 바이올린 연주를 하듯이. But it certainly was funny. 하지만 정말 재밌었어요. Alice said afterwards. 앨리스가 나중에 말했죠. When she was telling her sister the history of all this. 언니한테 이 모든 얘기를 해줄 때 To find myself singing. 내가 이 노래를 부르고 있었거든요. Here we go round the mulberry bush. 뽕나무 숲에서 우리는 돌고 도네. I don't know when I began it. 언제 시작했는지는 모르겠지만 but somehow I felt as if I've been singing it a long, long time. 아주 오랫동안 노래를 한 것 같이 느껴졌어요. The other two dancers were fat. 그 두 명의 댄서들은 뚱뚱해서 and very soon out of breath. 금방 지쳤죠. Four times round is enough for one dance. 춤 한 번 출 때 네 번 도는 게 적당해. Tweedledum panted out. Tweedledum이 헐떡이며 말했고 and they left off dancing. 춤을 멈췄어요. As suddenly as they had begun. 갑자기 춤을 시작한 것과 마찬가지로 The music stopped at the same moment. 그 순간 음악도 멈췄고요. Then they let go of Alice's hand. 그리고 그때 앨리스의 손을 풀어주고 and stood looking at her for a minute. 잠깐 그녀를 쳐다봤죠. That was a rather awkward pause. 좀 어색한 순간이었어요. As Elsie didn't know how to begin a conversation with people she had just been dancing with. 방금 춤을 마친 사람들과 어떤 이야기를 해야 될지 몰라서요. It won't ever to say how do you do now. 처음 뵙겠습니다는 아니잖아. She said to herself. We seem to have got beyond that somehow. 그것보다는 더 친해진 사이잖아. I hope you're not much tired. 많이 피곤하세요? She said at last. 마침내 이런 말을 했죠. No, 아니요. And thank you very much for asking. 물어줘서 너무 고마워요. said Tweedledum. Tweedledum이 말했죠. So much obliged. added Tweedledee. Tweedledee가 말했죠. You like poetry? 시를 좋아하시나요? Yes, pretty well. 네, 좋아하죠. Some poetry. 어떤 시들은요. Alice said doubtfully. 앨리스가 조심스럽게 말했죠. Would you tell me which road leads out of the wood? 그런데 어떤 길로 가야 숲에서 나갈 수 있는지 알려주시겠어요? What should I repeat to her? 무슨 시를 읊어줄까? said Tweedledee. Tweedledee가 말했죠. Looking round at Tweedledum with great solemn eyes. Tweedledum을 바라보면서 아주 엄숙한 눈길로 and not noticing Alice's question. 앨리스의 질문은 못 들은 척하고요. The walrus and the carpenter is the longest. 바다코끼리와 목수가 가장 긴 시지. Tweedledum replied. Tweedledum이 대답했어요. Giving his brother an affectionate hug. 그의 형제를 애정어리게 끌어안고 Tweedledee began instantly. Tweedledee가 즉시 시를 읊었죠. The sun was shining. 해가 빛나고 있었네. Here Alice ventured to interrupt him. 이때 앨리스는 그의 말을 받고 말했죠. If it's very long, 그 시가 길다면, she said as polite as she could. 최대한 공손히 말했어요. Would you please tell me first which road? 먼저 그 길을 알려주시겠어요? Tweedledee smiled gently. Tweedledee는 부드럽게 미소 짓고 and began again. 또다시 시를 읊었죠. The sun was shining on the sea. 해가 바다를 비추고 있었네. Shining with all his might. 온 힘을 다해서 He did his very best to make the billows smooth and bright. 그 물결이 부드럽고 밝게 만들도록 애쓰고 있었지. And this was odd. 이것은 이상했다네. Because it was the middle of the night. 한밤중이었으니까. The moon was shining sickly. 달이 뽀르퉁하게 빛나고 있었고 because she thought the sun had got no business to be there. 왜냐하면 해가 그곳에 있을 필요가 없다고 생각했기 때문이지. After the day was done. 낮이 끝났으니까. It's very rude of him, she said. 너무 무례하잖아 라고 생각했고 to come and spoil the fun. 재미를 망치다니. The sea was wet as well could be. 바다는 흠뻑 젖어 있었고 The sands were dry as dry. 모레는 아주 건조했다네. You could not see a cloud. 구름이 안 보였어요. Because no cloud was in the sky. 하늘에 구름 한 장 없었기 때문에. No birds were flying overhead. 머리 위에는 새가 날지 않았지. There were no birds to fly. 날아갈 새가 없었기 때문에. The walrus and the carpenter. 바다코끼리와 목수는 were walking close at him. 손을 아주 가까이 걸어가고 있었다네. They wept like anything to see such quantities of sand. 그들은 울부짖어서 볼 게 모래밖에 없어서. If this were only cleared away, 이게 다 치워졌으면, they said, 그들은 말했죠. It would be grand, 좋을 텐데. If 7 maids with 7 mops, 7개의 걸레를 든 7명의 하녀가 swept it for half a year, 반년 동안 쓴다면, do you suppose that were less sad? 바다코끼리가 말했죠. That they could get it clear. 다 치워질 수 있을까? I doubt it. 모르겠는데. Said the carpenter. 목수가 말했죠. And shed a bitter tear. 뜨거운 눈물을 흘렸어요. Oysters, come and walk with us. 굴더라, 우리랑 같이 걸어가자. The walrus did beseech. 바다코끼리가 간청했죠. A pleasant walk, a pleasant walk, talk. 재밌게 걷고 재밌게 이야기하자. Along the briny beach. 짭짜름한 해변을 따라서. We cannot do it more than 4. 4명 이상이랑 갈 수가 없어. To give a hand to it. 다 같이 손을 잡고 가려면. The eldest oyster looked at him. 나이 든 굴은 그를 쳐다봤죠. But never a word he said. 한마디도 안 했어요. The eldest oyster winked his eye. 가장 나이 든 굴은 윙크를 했고 and shook his heavy head. 무거운 고개를 저었죠. Meaning to say he did not choose to leave the oyster bed. 오이스터 침대에서 떠나지 않기로 결정했다고. But for young oysters, 하지만 4마리의 어린 굴들은 hurried up. 급히 챙기고 all go for the tree. 거길 가려고 했어요. Their coats were brushed. 외투를 잘 손질하고 their faces washed, 세수를 하고 their shoes were clean and neat, 깨끗한 신발을 챙겨 신고 and this was all 이상했죠. Because you know, 왜냐면 they hadn't any feet, 발도 없는데. Four other oysters followed them. 그래서 4마리의 굴이 그들을 따라갔죠. And yet another four. And thick and fast they came at last. 아주 빨리 왔고 and more, all hopping through the fruity waves. 거품이 있는 파도를 따라서 뛰어왔죠. And scrambling to the shore. 해변까지 왔어요. The walrus and the carpenter. 바다코끼리와 목수는 walked on a mile or so. 1마일 정도 걸어갔는데 and then they rested on a rock. 바위에서 쉬었죠. Conveniently low. 아주 편안하고 낮은 바위였어요. And all the little oysters stood. 그리고 그 작은 굴들이 서 있었죠. And waited in a row. 한 줄로 기다리고 있었어요. The time has come. 시간이 됐네. The walrus said. 바다코끼리가 말했죠. To talk of many things. 많은 이야기들을 해줘야지. Of shoes, 신발이나 and ships, 배들이나 and sealing wax. 밀랍이나 of cabbages, 양배추나 and kings, 임금에 대해서. And why the sea is boiling hot. 왜 바다가 이렇게 뜨겁게 끓고 있는지에 대해서. And whether pigs have wings. 돼지들에게 날개가 있는지 없는지에 대해서. But wait a bit. 하지만 좀 기다려봐요. The oysters cry. 굴들이 외쳤죠. Before we have our chat. 이야기를 하기 전에. For some of us are out of breath. 우리들 중 몇몇이 숨이 차고 있어요. And all of us are fat. 우리 모두가 뚱뚱하잖아요. No hurry. 서두르지 마. said the carpenter. 목수가 말했죠. They thanked him much for that. 그들은 그에게 감사했어요. A loaf bread. 빵 한 조각. The walrus said, 바다코끼리가 말했죠. Is what we chiefly need. 우리에게 필요한 건 그거야. Pepper and vinegar. 후추와 식초도 besides 필요하지. Are very good indeed. 정말 맛있을 거야. Now, if you are ready, oysters dear. 너희 굴들이 준비가 됐다면 we can begin to feed. 우리가 먹기 시작하면 되겠지. But not 우리한테 그러면 안 되죠. The oysters cried. 굴들이 소리쳤어요. Turning a little blue. 파랗게 질려서. After such kindness. 그렇게 친절히 대해주시더니 that would be a dismal thing to do. 우리를 먹으면 안 되죠. The night is fine. 밤이 아주 좋으네. The walrus said. 바다코끼리가 말했죠. Do you admire the view? 경치가 좋지. It was the kind of view to come. 여기까지 와줘서 정말 친절했단다. And you're very nice. 너희들은 정말 착해. The carpenter said nothing. 그 목수는 이렇게 말했죠. Cut us another slice. 우리에게 슬라이스 하나 더 잘라줘. I wish you were not quite so that. 네가 그렇게 귀가 먹질 않았으면 좋겠는데. I had talked had to ask you twice. 2번이나 물었잖아. It seems a shame. 부끄러운 줄 알라고. The walrus said. 바다코끼리가 말했죠. To play them such a trick. 쟤네한테 장난을 치다니. After we brought them out so far. 이렇게 멀리까지 데려온 뒤에 and made them trot so quick. 이렇게 뛰어오게 만든 뒤에 The carpenter said nothing but the butter spread too thick. 버터가 너무 두껍게 발라졌네. 라고 목수가 말했죠. I weep for you. 너네 때문에 내가 운다. The walrus said. 바다코끼리가 말했죠. I deeply sympathize. 나는 깊이 공감할 수 있어. With sobs and tears shorted out. 흐느끼고 눈물을 흘리고. Those of the largest size. 아주 커다란 것부터. Holding his pocket handkerchief. 그의 손수건을 들고. Before streaming eyes. 흐르는 눈물 앞에. Oysters, the carpenter. 목수가 말했죠. 굴들아, you've had a pleasant run. 즐겁게 달려왔니? Shall we be trudging home again? 다시 집으로 갈 순 없을까? But answer came there none. 하지만 대답을 들을 수 없었죠. And that was scarcely 정말 이상하게도 because they had eaten everyone. 모든 굴들이 먹힌 상태였거든요. I like the walrus best. 나는 바다코끼리가 제일 나아요. said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. Because you see, he was a little sorry for the poor oysters. 불쌍한 굴들한테 미안한 마음을 가졌잖아요. He ate more than the carpenter though. 하지만 그는 목수보다 더 많이 먹었어. said Tweedledee. Tweedledee가 말했죠. You see, he held the handkerchief in front. 손수건을 앞에 들고 있었잖아. So that the carpenter couldn't count how many he took. 그래서 목수가 얼마나 많이 먹었는지 셀 수가 없었어. Contrariwise, 반대로. That was mean, 못됐네. Alice said indignantly. 화가 나서 앨리스가 말했죠. Then I like the carpenter best. 그렇다면 목수가 더 좋아요. If he didn't eat so many as the walrus. 바다코끼리만큼 먹지 않았다면. But he ate as many as he could get. 하지만 그는 먹을 수 있는 한 많이 먹었어. said Tweedledum. Tweedledum이 말했죠. This was puzzler. 당당했어요. After pause, 잠깐 멈췄다가 Alice began. 앨리스는 말했죠. Well, they were both very unpleasant characters. 둘 다 불쾌한 캐릭터네요. Here she checked herself in some alarm. 앨리스는 놀래서 and hearing something that sounded to her like the 어떤 소리가 들렸냐면 puffing of a large steam engine. 기관차가 연기를 뿜는 소리가 났고 in the woods 숲속에서 near them 그들 근처에 though she feared it was more likely to be a wild beast. 근데 야생동물일 수도 있겠다 생각이 들었어요. Are there any lions or tigers over here? 이 근처에 사자나 호랑이가 있나요? She asked timidly. 조심스럽게 물어봤죠. It's only the red king snoring. 붉은 왕이 코고는 소리야. said Tweedledee. Tweedledee가 말했죠. Come and look at him. 가서 보자. The brothers cried. 그 형제가 외쳤고 and they each took one of Alice's hand. 각자 앨리스의 손을 잡았죠. Led her up to where the king was sleeping. 그 왕이 자고 있는 곳으로 데려갔어요. Isn't he a lovely sight? 그가 사랑스럽지 않니? said Tweedledum. Tweedledum이 말했죠. Alice couldn't say honestly that he was. 그렇다고 말할 순 없었어요. He had a tall red nightcap on. 길다란 빨간 나이트캡을 쓰고 있었고 with a tassel 술이 달리고 and he was lying crumpled up into a sort of untidy heap. 무슨 슬기자루처럼 몸을 웅크리고 있었죠. And snoring loud. 크게 코를 골면서 fit to snore his head up. 진짜 머리통이 잘려 나갈 정도로 코를 골고 있네요. As Tweedledum remarked. Tweedledum이 말했어요. I'm afraid he'll catch cold with lying on the damp grass, said Alice. 앨리스는 말했죠. 이렇게 축축한 풀에서 자다가 감기라도 걸릴까 걱정돼요. Who was a very thoughtful little girl. 아주 사려 깊은 소녀죠. He's dreaming now. 그는 꿈을 꾸고 있어. said Tweedledee. Tweedledee가 말했어요. And what do you think he's dreaming about? 무슨 꿈을 꿀까? Alice said. Nobody can guess it. 아무도 모르죠. Why about you? 너에 관한 꿈이야. Tweedledee exclaimed. Tweedledee가 말했죠. Clapping his hands triumphantly. 의기양양하게 손뼉을 치면서. And if he left off dreaming about you, 저 왕이 너에 대한 꿈을 꾸는 걸 멈추면 Where do you suppose you be? 네가 어디가 있을까? Where I am now, of course. 그냥 여기 있겠죠. said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. Not you, 아니. Tweedledee retorted contemptuously. Tweedledee는 비웃듯이 말했죠. You'll be nowhere. 너는 아무데도 없을 거야. Why? You're no sort of thing in his dream. 너는 그의 꿈속에만 존재하는 애니까. If that there king was to wake, 왕이 깨어나면 add tweedledum, tweedledum이 말이죠. You go out, 너는 없어지는 거야. Bang, just like a candle, 양초 불이 꺼지듯이. I shouldn't, 아니요. Alice exclaimed indignantly. 앨리스는 화가 나서 외쳤죠. Besides, 게다가 if I'm only a sort of thing in his dream, 내가 꿈속에만 사는 종류의 것이라면 what are you? I should like to know. 당신들은 뭔데요? Ditto, 마찬가지지. said tweedledum, tweedledum 말했어요. Ditto, ditto, cried tweedledee. tweedledee도 마찬가지야 라고 말했죠. He shouted this so loud. 그가 너무 크게 말해서 that Alice couldn't help saying, Hush, you will be waking him. 조용히 하세요. 깨우겠어요. I'm afraid if you make so much noise. 이렇게 소리를 시끄럽게 하다니. Well, it's no use you're talking about waking him. 그를 깨우는 것에 대한 얘기를 해봤자 소용없어. said tweedledum. tweedledum이 말했죠. When you're only one of the things in his dream, 너는 그의 꿈에서만 나오는 것일 뿐이고 you know very well you're not real. 넌 진짜가 아니잖아. I'm real. 전 진짜예요. said Alice and began to cry. 앨리스는 이렇게 말하고 울었죠. You won't make yourself a bit realer by crying. 운다고 진짜가 되는 건 아니야. Tweedledee remarked. Tweedledee가 말했죠. There's nothing to cry about. 울 필요 없어. If I wasn't real, 앨리스가 말했죠. 내가 진짜가 아니라면 half laughing through her tears. 울다가도 웃기도 했어요. It all seems so ridiculous. 너무 어이가 없어서. I shouldn't be able to cry. 내가 울지도 못할걸요. I hope you don't suppose those are real tears. 그 눈물이 진짜라고 생각하는 거야. Tweedledum interrupted in a tone of great contempt. 아주 경멸조로 Tweedledum이 말했죠. I know they're talking nonsense. 쟤네들이 헛소리를 하고 있어. Alice thought herself. 앨리스 혼자 생각했어요. It's foolish to cry about it. 쟤네들 말에 우는 것도 어리석은 짓이야. So she brushed away her tears. 그래서 눈물을 닦고 and went on as cheerfully as she could. 최대한 활기차게 말했죠. Anyway, 어쨌든 I'd better be getting out of the wood. 숲 밖으로 가야겠어. For really it's coming on very dark. 아주 어두워지기 시작했으니까. Do you think it's going to rain? 비가 올 것 같니? Tweedledum spread a large umbrella over himself. Tweedledum이 커다란 우산을 펼쳤죠. And his brother. And looked up into it. 그 안에서 위를 쳐다보면서 No, I don't think it is. 그렇지 않아. He said. 그렇게 말했죠. At least not under here. Not how. 우산 밑은 않아. But it may rain outside. 밖은 오겠지? It may. 그럴 수도. If it chooses. 선택을 한다면. said Tweedledee with no objection. 우린 반대하지 않아. Contrariwise. 반대로. Selfish things. 이기적인 것들. thought Alice가 생각했죠. And she was just going to say good night. 잘 자. And leave them. 그리고 떠나려고 할 때 when Tweedledum sprang out from under umbrella. 우산에서 튀어나와서 and seized her by the wrist. 앨리스 손목을 붙잡았죠. Do you see that? 알겠어? He said. 그가 말했죠. In a voice choking with passion. 열정을 담아서. And his eyes grew large and yellow all in a moment. 그의 눈이 커다래지고 누렇게 됐어요. As he pointed with a trembling finger at a small white thing lying under a tree. 나무 아래에 있는 작고 하얀 것을 가리키면서 It's only a rattle. 딸랑이잖아. 앨리스가 말했죠. After careful examination of the little white thing. 작고 하얀 것을 자세히 관찰하더니 Not a rattlesnake. 방울뱀이 아니야. No, she added hastily. 앨리스가 급히 말했죠. Thinking that he was frightened. 그가 겁에 질린 것 같아서 An old rattle. 낡은 딸랑이인데 quite old and broken. 낡고 깨졌는데 I know it was. cried Tweedledum이 말했죠. Beginning to stamp about wildly and tear his hair. 땅을 쿵쿵거리고 머리를 뽑으면서 말했어요. It's spoiled, of course. 망가졌어. Here he looked at Tweedledee. 이때 그는 Tweedledee를 보고 who immediately sat down on the ground. Tweedledee는 바닥에 앉아서 and tried to hide himself under the umbrella. 우산 밑으로 숨으려고 했죠. Alice laid her hand upon his arm. 앨리스는 그의 팔을 잡았고 and said in a soothing tone, 달래는 조로, You needn't be so angry about an old rattle. 저 낡은 딸랑이 때문에 화를 낼 필요는 없어. But it isn't old. 하지만 저건 오래된 게 아니야. Tweedledum cried. Tweedledum이 외쳤죠. In a greater fury than ever. 아주 화를 내면서 It's new, I tell you. 새 거라고. I bought it yesterday. 어제 샀어. My nice new rattle. 나의 새 딸랑이라고. And his voice rose to a perfect scream. 거의 소리치다시피 했죠. All this time, Tweedledee was trying his best. Tweedledee는 최선을 다해서 to fold up the umbrella. 우산을 접으려고 했어요. With himself in. 에 우산 속에 들어가서 which was such an extraordinary thing to do. 아주 이상했죠. That it quite took off Felic's attention from the angry brother. 그래서 화가 난 그 형제에게 관심을 껐죠. But he couldn't quite succeed. 하지만 그는 성공할 수가 없었고 he ended in his rolling over. 그 안에서 굴렀어요. Bundled up in the umbrella. 우산과 하나가 돼서 wet on his head. 머리만 나온 채로 and there he lay 그렇게 누워 있었고 opening and shutting his mouth 입을 뻐끔뻐끔하고 and his large eyes 커다란 눈도 껌뻑껌뻑했죠. looking more like a fish than anything else 물고기 같네. Alice thought. 앨리스는 그렇게 생각했어요. Of course she agreed to have a battle. 싸움을 하는데 동의하지. Tweedledum said in a calmer tone. 좀 누그러진 어조로 Tweedledum이 말했죠. I suppose so. 그럴까요? The others jerkily replied. 나머지 형제도 그렇게 대답했어요. As he crawled out of the umbrella, 우산에서 기어나오면서 언니, she must help us to dress up, you know. 그러면 앨리스가 우리 옷 입는 걸 도와줘야 해. So the two brothers went off hand in hand into the wood. 그래서 그들은 손을 붙잡고 숲속으로 들어가서 and returned in a minute. 금방 나왔어요. With their arms full of things, 여러 가지 물건을 품에 안고 such as bolsters, 덮베개, blankets, 담요, hearth rugs, 난로, 양탄자, 테이블 cloths, 테이블보, dish covers, 그릇 덮개, and coal scuttles, 석탄통을 들고 나왔어요. I hope you're a good hand at pinning and tying strings. 핀을 잘 꽂고 줄을 잘 묶었으면 좋겠는데 Tweedledum remarked. Tweedledum이 말했죠. Every one of these things has got to go on. 이 모든 게 다 우리한테 입혀져야 돼. Somehow or other. Alice said afterward she had never seen such a fuss made about anything in all her life. 나중에 앨리스가 말하기를 살면서 그런 소동이 없었대요. The way those two bustled about. 그 둘이 난리를 친 방식이 and the quantity of things they put on. 그 몸에 단 그 물건의 양이 and the trouble they gave her in trying strings and fastening buttons. 줄을 묶고 버튼을 채우고 하는 그런 모든 것들이 really they'll be more like bundles of old clothes than anything else. 낡은 그러니까 옷들의 어떤 꾸러미 같았대요. By the time they are ready, 싸울 준비가 되었을 때, she said to herself. 앨리스 혼잣말했어요. As she arranged a bolster around the neck of TDD, TDD의 목에 그 베개 받침을 채워주고 to keep his head from being cut off. 머리가 잘려나가는 것을 방지하려고 as it said, 그가 말했죠. You know, he added very gravely. 그는 심각하게 말했어요. It's one of the most serious things that can possibly happen to one in a battle. 싸움을 하다가 일어날 수 있는 가장 심각한 문제지. To get one's head cut off. 목이 잘려나가는 건 말이야. Alice laughed aloud. 앨리스는 크게 웃었어요. But she managed to turn into a cough. 하지만 기침을 하는 척했죠. For fear of hurting his feelings. 그의 마음을 상하게 할까봐. Do I look very pale? 내가 그렇게 하얗게 질려 보여? Said Tweedledum. Tweedledum이 말했죠. Coming up to have his helmet tied on. 그의 헬멧을 이제 묶으려고 왔을 때 he called it a helmet. 그는 헬멧이라고 불렀죠. Though it certainly looked much more like a saucepan. 냄비처럼 보였지만 well, yes, a little. 좀요. Alice replied gently. 앨리스는 부드럽게 대답했어요. I'm very brave generally. 나는 보통 때는 아주 용감해. He went on in a low voice. 낮은 목소리로 말했어요. Only today I happen to have a headache. 오늘은 그냥 머리가 두통이 있어서 그래. And I've got a toothache. 나는 이가 아파. said Tweedledee. Tweedledee가 말했죠. Who had heard the remark. 그 말을 들은 Tweedledee가 I'm far worse off than you. 너보다 더 심각해. Then you better not fight today. 그럼 오늘 싸우지 말는 게 낫겠네요. said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. Thinking it a good opportunity to make peace. 화해를 하기 좋을 기회라고 생각했어요. We must have a bit of a fight. 조금이라도 싸워야 해. But I don't care about going on long. 길게도 상관없고. said Tweedledum. Tweedledum이 말했죠. What's the time now? 몇 시야? Tweedledee looked at his watch. Tweedledee가 시계를 봤어요. And said 말하기를 4:30. 4시 반이네. Let's fight till 6. 6시까지 싸우자. And then have dinner. 그리고 나서 저녁 먹는 거야. said Tweedledum. Tweedledum이 말했어요. Very well. 좋아. The other said. Rather sadly, 슬프게 말했죠. And she can watch us. 앨리스가 우리를 볼 수 있겠다. Only you better not come very close. 가까이 오진 마라. He added, I generally hit everything I can see. 보이는 건 내가 다 때리거든. When I really get excited, 내가 흥분을 하면. And I hit everything within reach. 내 안에 들어온 애들은 다 때려. Cry tweedledum이 말했죠. Whether I can see it or not. 보이든 말든. Alice laughed. 앨리스는 웃었어요. You must hit the trees pretty often. 나무를 많이 때리겠네. I should think, she said. 앨리스가 말했죠. Tweedledum looked around him with a satisfied smile. Tweedledum은 만족스러운 미소를 지었어요. I don't suppose, he said, there'll be a tree left standing for ever so far around by the time we finish. 싸움이 끝날 때쯤 제대로 서 있는 나무는 없을 거야. And all about a rattle. 딸랑이 때문에, said Alice. 앨리스가 말했죠. Still hoping to make them a little ashamed of fighting for such a trifle. 그런 사소한 문제로 싸우는 것에 부끄러워해 주길 바라며. I shouldn't have minded it so much, said Tweedledum. Tweedledum이 말하길. If it hadn't been a new one. 새 딸랑이가 아니었으면 그러지 않았을 거야. I wish the monstrous crow would come. 괴물 같은 까마귀가 나타났으면 좋겠네. Dr. 앨리스가 생각했죠. There's only one sword, you know. 칼이 한 개밖에 없어. Tweedledum said to his brother. Tweedledum이 그 형제에게 말했죠. But you can have the umbrella. 하지만 너는 우산을 써도 돼. Its cut is sharp. 날카롭거든. Only we must begin quick. 빨리 시작하자. It's getting as dark as it can. 어두워지고 있어. And darker. 더 어두워지고 있지. said Tweedledee. Tweedledee가 말했죠. It was getting dark so suddenly. 갑자기 너무 어두워졌어요. The Alice thought there must be a thunderstorm coming in. 폭풍우가 몰아칠 것 같다는 생각이 들었죠. What a thick black cloud that is. 두껍고 검은 구름이 오고 있네. She said. 앨리스가 말했죠. And how fast it comes. 되게 빨리 오네. Why, I do believe it's got wings. 날개라도 달렸나? It's the crow. 까마귀다. Tweedledum cried out in a shrill voice alone. Tweedledum이 깜짝 놀라서 외쳤죠. And the two brothers took to their heels and were out of sight in a moment. 두 형제는 일어서서 순식간에 사라졌어요. Alice ran a little way into the wood. 앨리스는 숲으로 살짝 뛰어갔고 and stopped under a large tree. 커다란 나무 아래서 멈췄죠. It can never get at me here. 여기까지 올 순 없겠지? She thought. 앨리스는 생각했죠. It's far too large to squeeze itself in among the trees. 너무 커다래서 나무 사이에 끼어들 수 없을 거야. But I wish it wouldn't flap its wings so. 날개를 퍼덕이지 말았으면 좋겠다. It makes quite a hurricane in the wood. 그렇게 되면 숲속에 허리케인이 치는 것 같을 거야. Here's somebody's shoe being blown away. 여기 누군가의 숄이 날라왔네.